Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, one-touch windows, too. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.